General relativity, step by step. I'm still working on the second derivative with respect to tau of the separation vector of two particles in free fall, in geodesic motion. I'll get my red pen out and I can start to cancel some stuff. I think that cancels with that. Let's just make sure it does. It looks different because I'm contracting on this sigma and that sigma there, and here the differential of n is a sigma, but it doesn't matter because it's contracted on a nu, which is that one and that one, and here is a mu contracted, which is the same as that mu there. The sigma's contracted, and there's a free alpha as well. So these two terms cancel out, which makes our life a little bit easier. Let's go back to black. So what have I got left? I've got... What I'm going to do is I'm going to write the terms in a standard format. Mu nu by di x sigma n sigma u mu u nu, and that's a negative sign. So I'm going to try and write these terms first, well, the differential terms and the Christoffel terms first, and then the u's and the n's here. So we've done that one, tick. That term's cancelled. The next term is this one here, minus this term here. So I'm going to put everything, I'm going to put the Christoffel symbols to begin with. We've got a mu, a pi and a nu. Mu, pi, nu. In fact, I think I've got the product of Christoffels. Alpha, mu, sigma. Alpha, mu, sigma. Times what? I've got the minus sign. N, sigma, u, pi, which contracts with that pi there. And then I've got a nu, a nu, and that nu cancels with that. As I'm writing, I'm checking that the indices are either free indices, a free index, which is this alpha here, or it occurs in pairs. So the mu and the mu is summed, the nu and the nu is summed, the pi and the pi is summed, the sigma and the sigma. It's a bit of a dog's breakfast, but there it is. Have I got the sign right? Yes. Minus. Plus this term here. Good grief. What is it? It's a di-Christoffel alpha mu. I can't even see the thing on the same page. Let's just do that as minimum as we can. Plus di-Christoffel, copying from here, alpha mu sigma by di x nu, not very neat writing, x mu, n sigma u mu, just copying from here, u nu. Check. And we've got this last, is that the last term? Yes, it is the last term, thank goodness for that. Plus one extra term, this term here, Christoffel, alpha, sigma, nu, which is that term there, Christoffel, nu, beta, gamma, nu, beta, gamma, which is that term there, u sigma, which is that term there, u beta, which is that term there, and the last one is this little thing here, u gamma. Right, I hope everything is right, because I don't know about things starting to cancel, but you should be recognizing that some of these terms, or this whole way of expressing it, is familiar. So I'm going to stop here before I mess it up. Stop.